Good morning and happy Sunday to everybody who's watching. My topic for today is walking in the light of the sun. S-U-N. You see, think about the sun for a moment. It's powerful, it's bright, and it gives life. However, you don't just stare at it, you walk in its light. You see, if you stare, you go blind. And if you walk in its light, you live. And friends, that's exactly how it is with Jesus. In John chapter 8 verse 12, he said, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. You see, friends, too many people admire Jesus from a distance, like staring at the sun. You see, they like his teachings, they like his miracles, they love his stories. But admiration alone doesn't change your life, but walking in his light does. You see, friends, Ellen White once wrote, the light of his presence is to be a light with them, guiding, comforting, and sanctifying. You see, that means his light is not just for inspiration, it's for direction, healing, and transformation. And here's a challenge. Are you just looking at Jesus, or are you walking in his light? Because the sun wasn't made to be stared at. It was made to guide your steps. And Christ wasn't meant to be admired from afar. He was meant to be followed. So today, let's stop just looking and start walking in the light of the sun. God bless.